Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how I did this look. This is a Sutaria look for the Bobby Brown festive shades and I absolutely loved this look. This is perfect for Diwali. So many of you asked me to do a colorful smoky eye, something which is not nude, something which is more colorful and something which is more festive. When I saw this look, I absolutely fell in love with this look, especially the purple eyeshadow. It looks stunning. There are so many new products that I will be using today in this video, so if you want to see how I did this look, then please keep watching. I moisturized my face really well, and now I'm going to use this Stembotany Youth Oil just to create a very nice base, and I'm just going to use one drop and then just pat it all over my face. So I'm just a little confused between the Maybelline Fit Me and the Loreal Infallible one. Life decisions. I think I'm going to go with the Loreal Infallible one. The primer I'm going to use today is the Maybelline Master Prime. I'm just going to use my fingers to blend the primer. The foundation I'm going to use today is the L'Oreal Infallible one. This one is the 24-hour foundation. And the sponge I'm using is the Plume Microfiber Velvet Sponge. And this one is the lavender one. It feels really soft on my skin and blends wonderfully. So the foundation's on and I love my base. This sponge, it does not absorb any product whatsoever. I just took one pump of the L'Oreal Infallible and I realized that it was way too much product that I took. I actually just kind of need a little bit less than a pump whenever I use this sponge. Moving on to the concealer, I'm going to use this Eyebrow Pro Conceal HD Concealer. I have been really busy because this time of the year in Kolkata is like super crazy because of Durga Puja. This was the craziest Durga Puja I've ever had in my life, the busiest one and the craziest one, but I had so much fun. It was like spending time with my family and friends and it was amazing. I know I haven't been replying to the comments because I was really busy with Durga Puja, but I will be replying to your comments soon. So the concealer that I used was to hide my dark circles. The salmon shade in that concealer really helps me to hide my dark circles. And now I'm going to use this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind on top of this concealer just to highlight that area. Just this much. Now moving on to the powder. Okay, somebody commented, I really don't remember the name, but commented that I love you the way you love your Bharat and Dorris loose powder. That's so true. I do love my Bharat and Dorris loose powder. I've been using this constantly since the time I bought it. It's amazing. That comment was really sweet. So I'm going to use this Bharat and Dorris loose powder. So whatever's left on the brush, I'm just going to apply it on my forehead, on my nose, and on my chin. So I'm done with my base and I'm super happy with it. As long as my base looks good, I'm all set. Moving on to my eyebrows, I'm going to use a new product today. I received this one from O2O. It's their new line. It's called Banxeer. It's spelled as Banxeer, and this one is the Smooth Eyebrow Pencil. And I'm going to be using it for the first time today. Trying it in front of the camera. Eyebrows are a very important part in a makeup look, and I'm super scared to try any new eyebrow product. It looks very natural. I'm going to use this one for the first time. Colors look amazing. I'm super excited. So I'm going to take my Oriflame blending brush. I'm going to use this shade in my crease. This one is a beautiful pink, but I think I'm done with the crease. Use this purple shade all over my lids. Now on top of this, I'm going to add this color. When I told you it's an experiment that I do every time I do makeup, it's an experiment that I do, and since these colors are I'm using these colors for the first time. This is not actually what I wanted. So I'm going to remove this and I'll be back and I'll start from scratch. So I did not do anything to my crease area. I just removed the eyeshadow on my lid. I'm going to be using this shade all over my lids. There's a tinge of purple in it, so I need to apply something purple. I'm going to use this shade in the outer corners. It's dark almost from the middle of her eyelids. Also the crease area. It's a little elongated as well. So I'm going to drag it a little towards my eyebrows. Taking my Smashbox eyeshadow palette, I'm going to apply this shade in the outer corners of my eyes. I'm going to go back with this burgundy shade just to bring back that shade a little. Just to get a little bit of warmth back. So I'm going to apply this burgundy shade on my lower lash line. And then on top of that, I'm going to apply this shade. She's got a little bit of glitter going on in the inner third area of her eyes. I'm going to add this beautiful pink glitter from Glittery World. I'm just going to tap a little bit and then blend it with my fingers. And I'm going to let it dry for a little bit. So I'm going to use the Banxeer liquid eyeliner. The tip of this is really smooth. I don't have a struggle much with this. And I'm going to take this Lakme Eyeconic Kajal in the shade Classic Brown and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. I'm going to curl my lashes and put on mascara. The mascara I'm going to use is the Loreal Lash Paradise. So I've got two lashes. I don't know which one to wear. This is from Nykaa. This one is from Nykaa. This one is from a company called Polyglow. I found it in Shoppers Stop. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Look what happened when I tried to get it out. Just broke into pieces. Do not buy this brand. This is called Polyglow. So I'm gonna go for the Nykaa one. It's okay, right? It's okay. Things happen. I'm back after applying false lashes. Now I'm going to apply the lipstick. She's got a peachy nude shade going on. So I'm going to apply this shade. This is from Banxeer and this is a nude shade. This one is a beautiful matte and I love the color. The color looks absolutely stunning. This is a pure nude. I'm going to apply this Lakme Enriched Lip Crayon in the shade Peach Magnet on top of this. So Banxeer also sent me these two shades. These two shades are also stunning. This one is a brick red and this one is peachy nude, like a more of a pinky nude. This one is in the shade number 06 and this one is in the shade number 08. So for bronzer, I'm going to take the Maybelline Master Contour Palette and I'm going to use this shade. I'm using the Oriflame blush brush. A little bit on my temples and my jawline. So for blush, I'm going to use this Maybelline Master Blush Kit and I'm going to use this shade. I'm using the QVS blush brush. For the highlighter, I'm going to use the Master Contour Palette and I'm going to use the highlight shade. And the brush I'm using is the Studio West Foundation brush. So this is my finished makeup look. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then you know the drill. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Also click on the bell icon so that you can be notified every time I upload any new video. Also, don't forget to be a part of my Instagram family. I share a lot of things there. Have a safe Diwali and please make sure that the animals on the streets are also safe. I'm going to enjoy Diwali with my family and friends and I'm going to light a lot of diyas and I love lights. Be it whatever, I love lights. So I am going to light up my entire house. Also make sure that the stray dogs are safe, especially this time of the year. They are very scared of loud noises and crackers. So please, please be kind to the stray dogs, stray cats, stray animals. Spread kindness, spread compassion, and spread happiness this Diwali. And a very happy Diwali to you and your loved ones. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle. This is not really very colorful, but for me it is colorful. So I don't really do these kind of looks, but I am loving it and I should try these kind of looks more. I wish I was going out somewhere, but unfortunately I'm not. I'm gonna remove my makeup right now and sit down to edit this video.